Hi guys, Mr. M here, Bees Double Arrow. Okay, so we're currently running in 15 trades, as you guys can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Current date is the 27th of the 5th, 2022. So you can go back on your own charts and go verify the setup. Okay, so we're taking a short on the Euro USD. Okay, currently in a minus 4 pips. Okay, all right, there 1 pip in a positive, and as usual, live account. Yes, not a demo. Okay, we practice what we preach. So what we're gonna do here, as you can see, is dropping. What we're gonna do, we're gonna pause this video, and then we're gonna come back and give you guys the end result. Hopefully you can finish off the Friday, the end of the week, on a high note. Okay, so chat you guys later. Mr. M standing by. Chat you guys later. Ciao. Hi guys, Mr. M here. Beast Double Arrow. We back. We back, guys. We back. Okay, so we're still in the Euro USD. Okay, running at 320 pips, as you guys can see on top. And yes, as usual, we're running in a live account. Okay, as you guys can see, the left top corner, live account. Okay, and we still in 15 trades, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and the date, as usual, 27th of the 5th, 2022. So you can go verify this on your chart. Okay, go back to this day. There's the date, as you can see. Okay, that is my current time in my country. So you can go verify this on your own chart. Okay. All right. So I think what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm actually gonna close this trade now. Okay. Let's just see something here. Okay. Still giving me a signal to go down. Okay. So guys, let's just break down this trade quickly, just very quickly. Okay. So as you guys can see here, okay, what happened here? Okay, let me just pull a line there. Okay, so this is actually a false break, guys. Okay, this is definitely a false break. All right, above this area here. Okay, above this resistance here. Okay, so that was definitely a false break. Okay, so what did the market do? Okay, let me just zoom this a bit. Okay, there, as you can see, so a lot of people went short, went long here. Sorry, a lot of people went long. Lots of people went long, and the market just fell right back here. Okay, so this is actually a false break for the breakout traders, retail traders, breakout traders that went long here. Okay, and the market went back and it dropped. Okay, but we know our software tells us when to go short. Okay, when to go long, as long we just follow the rules. But in any case, we made over 200 pips. Okay, we up 295 pips. So I think what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start closing. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna close it in front of you guys. Okay, let's close that one. Let's close that one. So that is live, guys. Over 300 pips. That's a good end to the week. Okay, very good end to the week. So I'm just closing all of them now, as you guys can see. Okay, we still got 10 to go. Okay, we still got 10 to go here. We still got 9 to go. Okay, we're not greedy. Okay, we know when to take our profits. Okay, because the market can change in an instant. Okay, but yeah, we're closing our profits. Okay, so almost there, still closing. We got 2 more to do. Okay, that's fine. Happy with that. There we go. Okay, so all 15 close. We're happy with our profit, over 300 pips banked, and that is a good end to the week. Okay, so I'll catch you guys around, okay, next week. And for now, have a good weekend, guys. This is Mr. M standing by. Ciao for now.